Hey, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to TechVibes. Today, I am going to show you how to fully load your Amazon FireStick with a secret app store that gets updated every single week. This gives you access to a massive library of movies, TV shows, and premium applications. This method works on every single FireStick model, except for the FireStick Select. It is super easy to do, and we are going to use a special wizard to make the setup incredibly fast. First, we need to unlock developer options on your device. From the home screen, go to the Settings menu. Scroll over and click on My Fire TV. Next, click on About. Now, highlight your device name and click the center button on your remote 8 times. A message will pop up saying you are now a developer. Press the back button, and you will see a new menu called Developer Options. Next, press the Home button and go to the search icon. Type in Downloader and search for the app. Look for the orange icon with a big white D and download it. Once it installs, open it up. Now go back to your FireStick settings, select My Fire TV, enter Developer Options and click Install Unknown Apps. Turn the switch to the on position for the Downloader app. Now open the Downloader app and click inside the yellow URL box. Type in the URL exactly, newstore.tv or 8230349 for download code. If this link changes, you can always find the updated code in the pinned comment or description below. Hit Next, and the app will start downloading our special setup wizard. Once it downloads, click Install, then click Done. Make sure to delete the installation files to save space on your device. Go back to your developer options and turn on permission settings for the wizard app. Launch it, check your space, and ensure you are connected to power. Before accessing the store, you must use a reliable VPN like NordVPN to stream properly and stay anonymous. We highly recommend using NordVPN to run any app smoothly on your device. You can find the link in the description below. Once connected, open the Wizard app to download our custom app store. Then, enable permissions for the store app in your developer options. Launch the store, browse dozens of categories, and click Install to download. Remember to enable unknown apps permissions for every new app. That is how you fully load your FireStick. Subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching TechVibes.